Good morning, class 8th student. We are continuing the part 13, chapter 5. As we read in the previous part about the bituminous coal, so we read till that due to the high carbon content and low moisture means the thing which having the low content of water. If there is no presence of water, it is dry up fully, it burn easily. So the amount of carbon is also high and the amount of water is low, so it burn smoothly. So by this characteristic, it is used in the production of the steel and the cement. We did this in the previous. So as well as in the electricity generation, means not only in the steel and the cement production, it is also used in the electricity generation and coke production. Burning of this, what is coke? We will see it later after this topic. Okay. Burning of this type of coal produces smoke, soot and sulfur oxide, which causes acid rain and it is harmful for health. As we see, it is used widely in the steel and the cement industry as well as in the production of electricity or the coke production, but it having some harmful effect also, as the burning of this type of coal produces smoke, soot, unburned material, I have told you, soot and the sulfur dioxide, means which causes the acid rain, means these are not the eco-friendly and it is harmful for our health. Okay. The next type is subbituminous. Subbituminous is a type of a coal that contain approximately 30 to 35% of the carbon. Okay. Even though subbituminous has a low heat value, it is widely used because it burns without giving out much smoke. Means as the percentage of carbon is low here in the subbituminous, but it is widely used because when it burn, it don't give the so much smoke like the bituminous. That's why it is used widely also. Okay, because it don't giving so much smoke. The next type is lignite. The lignite contain a very low amount of carbon, around 25 to 35%, and came into existence in very recent periods, means from the very time, means before the years ago. It's a lot of the time before. Okay, before the years ago it is not used. It is recently come in use. Means in the previous years or the so many previous years, the quality which is used, that is bituminous, and this lignite came in the existence or come in the use from the very recent periods. It is used in power generation and is the lowest grade of coal. Now it is using in the power generation and it is the lowest grade of coal. Means the at least amount of carbon is found here. The next one is the peat. Peat is the material formed early in the carbonization process. Means the last thing at the very early stage, the material which is formed, that is known as the peat. Means at the very last period, at the very early period, during the process of carbonization, the material which is formed is known as the peat. It consists of partly decayed matter and deposited minerals. Means those are not completely decomposed. Partly. Okay, not completely. Some extent, only partly, few part of decayed matter and the deposited minerals. Peat is formed in wetlands. Where it is formed? In the wetlands. I have told you what are wetlands. Those area covered with the water or remaining with the contact of the water. it has a low carbon content and a high moisture content, and we know this, the thing which having the higher content of moisture, it would taken so much time for the burning. Means it could you understand by the example, just like there is a wet wood. Wood is wet. Okay, suppose that it is lying on in the open area and there rain has come and this wood will be fully filled by the water, or it is moisturized wood. So could you burn it? If you burn it, then it taken lot of time. It taken lot of time and lot of smoke over there. So such type of means coal, such type of coal, that is peat, having a higher content of the moisture and very low content of the carbon. Hence it has a low heating capacity. Means it don't give a high heating capacity. It produce very less amount of heat when it getting burned. So here we read the 5 type of coals. First one is of your anthracite, which is the best quality. Second is bituminous, and third is subbituminous, and next is lignite, and the poorest quality, that is the peat. Okay. Thank you class. We continue in the next video.